Hey, it's David with Doggone Problems. I'm here at Westgate Animal Clinic, and this is a great vet clinic that is, I guess, Midtown. I'm an old school Omaha guy, so Midtown used to be that way, but we're about 84th and Center. This is a great clinic. They work with dogs and cats. They do nail trims. They don't do any grooming, but it's a great place to come if you need some help with your dogs or your cats' medical needs. We're going to do a quick little mini tour as we're adding to our trusted vet list. These are people that we recommend because they are also punishment and aversive free, just like we are at Doggone Problems. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay. Wow, really nice big lobby, which we love. So remember, anytime you have a dog that's fearful, and a lot of dogs have problems coming to vet clinics just because they're not feeling all that great, and then they have people that they don't really know a lot who are touching their body. So having open space can really make your dog feel a lot more comfortable. Now, if you're watching this and do have a puppy, it's always great to bring your puppy to a vet clinic a couple times when you're not coming in for an examination. Usually the staff is happy to give your dog treats. Your puppy comes in, they get a sniff around, they get to gain their bearings, and get some treats, make it a positive first experience. This is actually what we do for our dog daycare to make sure the dogs have a good positive experience, and the first experience is really important for puppies. As you see behind me, they've got a lot of dietary food. So if dogs have kidney issues, digestive issues, Hill's Science Diet makes a lot of medical grade food, and those are great things for your dog to have in the recovery process. While we were prepping this video, the staff was doing a great job of giving some advice to some people that came in. The dog had some digestive issues. She was asking about yogurt and pumpkin and all this, and the staff was just taking the time to really go over these options, why this option was good, why this option is not good. So I really like to see staffs that take the time and they're not trying to rush you out the door. There was a line and they still took the time to help everybody individually, which is great. So we have a nice big open lobby here. They have a little kids area here, so if you want to bring your little ones, they've got some kitty magazines. It looks like a little kitty table with some giraffes and some other stuff. And look at that, they're so nice. They don't want you to be parched, so they even have beverages for you. So I might come back and get a daiquiri later. All right, let's go back and we'll see what the exam rooms look like. All right, so they have 6 different exam rooms, and they're all basically the same. We're going to look at this one over here. We got the light on. Exam rooms, nice and big, very clean. The whole clinic is very clean, I should say. And I approve because there's, a Dalmatian painting there, and I'm a Dalmatian guy. But you have a nice little exam table here that they can pull up and down, a little place for you to sit down. Not a huge exam room, but you really don't need to have a lot of room for an exam room. The more space, but it is enough space for the dog to feel comfortable and content. So, again, we've looked at a lot of vet clinics, and we like vet clinics where you come in and it is impeccably clean. This place is. So, all right. So if your dog does need a medical procedure, get their dental cleaned or get their teeth cleaned, or any dental work, or need surgery, they do have a surgery base. So let's go ahead and check that out. And here we are in the dentist office, essentially. So this is what they do, their dental work. So again, getting dogs' teeth clean is really important. We recommend brushing the dog's teeth, but some people don't do that. And so, especially if you have a small breed dog, most dogs, it's when they get to about 6 or 7, it depends on the saliva. But when they get a little bit older, that's when they start having tooth issues. So being able to have a place where you can get your dog's tartar and the gums and all that fun stuff taken care of. They've got a nice suite here. This is pretty actually in-depth comparatively to some of the vet clinics we've worked with. And they got an x-ray right there, but they also have another x-ray, they actually have a room dedicated to it. This is their pre-surgery. I have a couple of exam tables you can see here. This is their surgery suite. Everything is impeccably clean. I'm not seeing any dust bunnies or anything along those lines. So they're really taking the time to make sure that they keep the little things in line, and that's a really important thing to do, obviously when you're dealing with your dog's medical issues. Very clean here, and you can see right here on the table they're re-sterilizing things after this morning's surgeries. So recovery bays for the dogs here, And then we have we'll take a little final loop through here, another exam room. And I really like that they have their exam rooms spread out. So again, we've talked about this before. Sometimes you get dogs that are dog reactive or fearful of other dogs. So it's nice to have multiple angles so you can take the dogs in and out. And they have having all the rooms kind of spread out. We have some of the rooms on that side of the building, some on this side of the building, so you can get a little space. You just if your dog has any of those problems, just let the vet clinic know and they'll make arrangements for you. So maybe have you wait in your car and bring you in at an opportune time. Okay, and so this is where we started our tour. We'll go ahead and come back into the lobby and end it. So again, this is a quick little video tour of Westgate Animal Clinic. It's a great clinic if you're looking for one. It's in Midtown. Again, Center Street is about 2 blocks that way, and 84th Street is about 2 blocks that way. So that gives you an idea of the part of town. But it's, like I said, a really nice clinic. If you have any questions, feel free to give them a shout. The staff will be happy to answer any questions you have, show you around the clinic. And again, if you're looking for some top-notch medical equipment for a place that is on our trusted list, so they're force and punishment free, we would definitely recommend them. So come on in and check them out. Tell them Doggone Problem sent you.